she's going for the middle. There she goes. Yeah, she's something. They treat her like her little baby too. Mama's really good to her, so is her brother. She's trying. She wants on the same board anyway. Okay, they all fit right there on the same board. She likes being real close. She's trying to get underneath. Alright, I hope you're all enjoying the video. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Peace out.